The silent threat. Why finding water leaks matters. Water leaks can happen in any home. They can be big or small. Even small leaks can cause big problems. Finding and fixing leaks early is important. Leaks waste water. They also cost you money. A leaky faucet can waste gallons of water each day. This adds up on your water bill. Leaks can damage your home. Water can rot wood and damage drywall. It can also lead to mold growth. Mold is unhealthy and can be expensive to remove. Finding and fixing leaks protects your home and your wallet, especially if insurance will not cover the damages. This guide will teach you how to become a leak detective. Telltale signs. Spotting the evidence of hidden leaks. Sometimes water leaks are obvious. You might see water dripping from a pipe. Other times, leaks are hidden. You need to know what to look for. Look for stains on your ceilings and walls. These stains might be yellow or brown. They might be round or irregular in shape. Damp spots on walls are another sign of a leak. Check your floors for signs of warping or buckling. Listen for dripping sounds. You might hear water running even when no faucets are on. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to investigate further. The water meter test. Unmasking hidden water loss. Your water meter is a valuable tool for finding hidden leaks. The water meter tracks how much water you use. You can use it to see if water is being used even when everything is turned off. First, make sure no water is being used in your home. Turn off all faucets and appliances that use water. This includes washing machines and dishwashers. Locate your water meter. It's usually near the street or sidewalk. Read the numbers on the meter, write them down, wait for 30 minutes. Make sure no one uses any water during this time. Read the meter again. If the numbers have changed, you have a leak. Common culprits. Leak-prone areas in your home. Some areas in your home are more prone to leaks than others. These are good places to start your investigation. Check under all sinks in your kitchen and bathrooms. Look for signs of dampness or leaks around the pipes and connections. Inspect the area around your toilets. Look for water on the floor around the base of the toilet. Don't forget to check near your water heater. Water heaters can develop leaks as they age. Look for any signs of corrosion or water damage around the base of the unit. By carefully inspecting these common problem areas, you can often pinpoint the source of a leak. Leaks can also hide inside your walls and ceilings. Carefully inspect your ceilings for any signs of discoloration or water damage. Look for areas that are bulging or sagging. These can be signs of water damage. Check your walls for peeling paint or wallpaper. Pay attention to areas near windows and doors. These areas are more susceptible to leaks. Listen for any hissing or dripping sounds coming from your walls. These sounds can indicate a hidden leak. If you suspect a leak inside a wall or ceiling, it's best to call a professional. Vert Environmental can refer you to one of our preferred and trusted plumbing companies. Leaks don't just happen inside your home. They can also occur outside. Inspect all outdoor faucets for drips or leaks. Check your garden hoses for cracks or holes. Make sure the connections are secure. Examine your irrigation system for leaks. Look for areas where water is pooling or spraying. Check your sprinkler heads to ensure they're functioning properly. Don't forget to inspect your swimming pool. Look for cracks in the pool deck or around the pool's equipment. Address any leaks promptly to prevent further damage and conserve water. Sometimes, finding and fixing leaks is best left to the professionals. If you've tried the steps in this guide and still can't find the leak, it's time to call a plumber. Vert Environmental can help you with mold testing from water leaks. If you need a plumber, we can refer you to a trusted plumbing company we work with on a regular basis that specializes in finding and fixing leaks. A professional will have the experience and equipment to handle even the toughest leaks. Contact Vert Environmental for testing. If you need a plumbing referral, depending on the leak and water damage, we can refer you to one of our trusted and experienced plumbing or restoration companies for all your leak detection and repair needs. Our clients will provide you with a free estimate and work with you to develop a plan to address the issue. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. It could save you thousands of dollars by acting quick. In fact, some insurance policies will not cover the leak if you wait too long. Preventing water leaks is always better than dealing with the damage they cause. You can protect your home by being proactive. Check your appliances regularly. Inspect your washing machine, dishwasher and refrigerator for signs of leaks. Maintain your plumbing system. Fix leaky faucets and dripping pipes promptly. Insulate your pipes. This can help prevent them from freezing and bursting in cold weather. By taking these steps, you can help keep your home safe and dry for years to come. Remember, a small leak can quickly turn into a big problem. Stay vigilant and don't hesitate to call Vert for help or referrals when needed.